Hey, what's up, everybody, and welcome back to my
Hey, what's up,
No,
everybody?
not right now. No. You're next. You're next. It's me first. Yeah, so welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be doing some of my homework. Yeah. Yeah, so with this assignment, we're basically doing a brand piece. We got to sort of design a brand or make up a brand and make the logo and stuff. So today we're going to be doing the logo, and you know what, let's just jump into it. I'll show you the logos I'm already doing, and we'll see what I got. Also, as usual, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, because it really helps out the channel. Here's some numbers. You've seen these numbers before. Just do it. All right, let's go. All right, so if you cannot see this, I will throw these on screen because they will be in the video that I'm recording. But here they go. Here's the one I'm going to be doing the most. There's so many different ones that I could choose from, but this is the one I went with. The company that I chose to name it was called The Proud Viking. And yeah, now I'm going to go onto the computer and design this bad boy. So let's go. Okay, so how'd you like it? Did it look good? I thought it looked good. You know what? Let's just put it right here. Yeah, that's good. I like that. That's really great. Beautiful. Nice. Okay, get this shit out of here. Alright, well, thank you guys for watching the video. Again, if you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, hit that bell notification to keep updated with my videos being posted. I don't have a schedule. I'm just going to post whenever I please. And, yeah, so it's the end of the video. I'll wait. I'm not wearing a watch. Have you left yet? Alright, guess I'm leaving.